Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to display text in bulleted lists in Microsoft Word.
Lists make information easy to read and understand. Instead of writing everything in long paragraphs, you break it into clear, separate points. Let's create a bulleted list first. Click on an empty line, go to Home tab, click the Bullets drop-down arrow. Bullet style options appear, select the round bullet. Type Create Documents. Press Enter, type Format Text, press Enter, type Insert Images. Each item gets its own bullet automatically. Press Enter twice to end the list. To change the bullet style, select the list, click Bullets drop-down, choose a different style, like a square or checkmark. All bullets update at once. Now let's create a numbered list, used when order matters, like steps in a process. Click an empty line, click the Numbered List drop-down, select 1, 2, 3 style. Type Open Word, press Enter, type Create a new document, press Enter, type Start Typing. Word automatically numbers each item. If you add or remove an item, the numbers update automatically. You can change the number style. Select the list, Numbered List drop-down, select ABC or Roman numerals, whatever suits your document. There is also a checklist option. Press Command and comma, or click the checklist button. Each item gets a checkbox, useful for to-do lists and task tracking.
Now let's create a multi-level list, useful for outlines or documents with main topics and subtopics. Click an empty line, Multi-Level List drop-down, select the first style. Type Main Topic 1, press Enter. Press Tab to go one level deeper. Type Subtopic 1. Press Enter. Type Subtopic 2. Press Shift+Tab to go back to the main level. Type Main Topic 2. You can also use the Increase Indent and Decrease Indent buttons to move any list item between levels.
If you want to learn the complete course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.